Ew. 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 Tube inside a tube with another tube going into a bottle that'll be fed by a tube. This is the tube episode, people. All the tubes. That's why they call it YouTube, because it's all about tubes. What's up, guys? You Should Race here with the C4 again. Gonna be doing some things on it today. First thing we're doing is we're checking the diff fluid. Diff was leaking from the pinion seal, so I'm just gonna make sure it's topped off. Go from there. After that, we're gonna take it for a drive, check the temps, and make sure everything's all kosher with that. I didn't bring my GoPro today. I'm recording this on my phone, so probably won't get any driving POV, but see what happens. Today's a maintenance day, so call this part 2 in the C4 Lemon series. So anyway, talk to you soon. Yes. Yes. My boy. It's dry. Ew. Water in the diff. Time to suck it out. Good thing I got the Mega Suck 3000 here. Get this water out of my differential. Tube technology. We are back. What? And I quote, GM intentionally designed the L98 to run hotter in the 1980s to meet strict emission standards. Basically, this car cruises at like 215 degrees Fahrenheit oil temperature. So, yeah, that's exciting. The coolant temperature is not reading, so I'm going to go try to short it real quick, short it to ground, and see if it spikes in the car. So, we'll see if that reads or not. But, I mean, the thing is cooling properly because it seems to be activating the fan even though the car is off. So I think it's reading the radiator temperatures. It's just not reading out on my dashboard for some reason. So, yeah, got to troubleshoot that. But other than that, I think this is a good running car. I got no issues with it. It accelerates, it shifts. The brakes could use some love, but other than that, this thing is awesome. This thing's running great. Alright guys, that's the end of update number 2. So I'm glad the oil temp is supposed to be in the 200s. GM, I guess, wants these temperatures to be hot for emissions, or at least they did back then. The reason I can't get the coolant temperature to read it on the dashboard, it looks like that guy, which I assume it is the sending unit. I can't exactly get a clear answer, but that should be the temperature sending unit for the coolant that goes to the dashboard. That's not even, how can I put it? That's not even reading on the dashboard. It just says temperature low, but check this out. Dude, that's not even soldered. This wire is just wrapped around another wire. This wire's wrapped around another wire, run all the way to this aftermarket thing, straight to this wire, to the radiator. They literally punched a hole in the radiator shroud to, yeah. So, yeah, this car was loved by someone for like 200,000 miles. They put a new motor in it. This is not the original motor. I assume a new transmission, because the transmission shifts pretty damn good for you know, one that would have almost 300,000 miles on it. Yeah, I don't know. This stuff is crazy. I can't look at this. It's screwed in, not even all the way, zip tied, and just wrapped around. I mean, dude, who? Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah, but we're making her good. We're making her work. I still don't know what either of these wires go to, but it runs and drives without them, so, you know, there's that. But yeah, no, the car's actually, despite the crackheadness of this car, everything's running good, everything's driving good, can't complain. I was going to say, I don't have a name for this car yet, not that I name my cars, but this might be the crack Corvette. But alright guys, tune in next time. Catch ya. Check out the temp sensors on this car. You got 1, you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm pretty sure most of those do coolant. I don't know. Bye.